Good morning everyone again. We're here gonna be walking around. Hi guys, welcome to my Good morning everyone. Welcome to the vlog of my vlog. We're good. Hi guys. Hi guys, good morning. We're here at Singapore again. I'm gonna be vlogging throughout the day. We're gonna go We're gonna go to Sentosa today.
Yay! Sentosa!
Say hi! Saya ka, saya ka. Sponsored by Jesus Life. Hi Crestmon, what can you say that first day of the Grand Prix winner?
No boys, I have no boys.
Bentley. Tatawid daw kasi mali yung bus station. So dito sa Singapore, they don't use cash in the bus and train. So they use yung card. Yung ano tala mo, Go Time. Maganda ba yung Go Time? Sucks lang. Yeah. What can you say as a Grand Prix winner? Masaya ka? Masaya ka? Masaya ka?
Very much.
Okay, so nakababa na kami ng bus. Now we're gonna ride the train. So now we're here at the MRT. What does MRT stand for?
Metro Rail Transit.
Oh my goodness! You're so good! So anong masasabi ng ating soloist na Grand Prix champion? Ano, masaya ka? Kabado pa din?
Malay ko.
Saan tayo pupunta?
Malay ko.
Datom. Bumili kaming Meiji. Mine is Charmander Chocolate.
Uy, magkano din yung
Rar. Ano sa'yo?
Ganun ko natin yung maliliit yung meron. Wala yung malalaki.
Ayan, kakain kami ng lunch. Ang order ko is karage omurice. Sila. Gusto kumain. Cellphone na lang. Bili kami
ice cream.
McDonald's na. Kasi masarap. Babayaran na, babayaran. Bayaran mo yan bayaran mo yan. Sinabi niya, babayaran niya. O, Choco. Long awaited champion. Champion. Oh, sarap ba yan, champion? Sarap.
Well deserved ice cream.
Choco.
Sponsored by the assistant conductor.
Sa'yo yan May tissue naman. One more. Oh, sarap. Masarap. Wala pa. Choco. Ice cream.
Tuloy.
Ice cream.
Wait lang. 1, 2, 1.
Okay, sasakay na tayo ng train ba ulit? Are we gonna ride the train?
Yeah.
Train. We're going to the train. It's a train na Resorts World. I don't see the resort, but I see the world. Hey, andito na kami. Ang init. Very, very nice. Universal. Universal. For the picture taking with the Jisoo Life and the payong kasi ang init. Always drink your water.
We're in the Universal Globe, guys.
Universal!
We're in the Universal Globe. Ikot.
Oh, Jisoo Life. Jisoo Life. Jisoo Life. Jisoo Life. Asan Jisoo Life mo? Jisoo Life. Jisoo Life. Oh, Jisoo Life. Jisoo Life. Oh, sheesh. It's so very strong. We're inside the Lego store. All kinds of Lego. Ganda naman. Legos everywhere. Siyempre, hindi tayo bibili. Kasi wala pera. Pasok naman tayo sa Hershey's. Send your whole back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This love is not destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Yeah. Okay na. So we're back here at Vivo Station with the train. We're gonna go to Bugis. Bibili kami ng kung ano-ano. I don't know. We'll see. Now at Bugis, whatever this is. Just left Bugis. Now we're going to go back to the East West Line. Go to Chinatown.
Pagod na yung mukha niya.
Dami nating napuntahan. Kaya pa natin. Kakain na lang tayo. We're gonna go to Merlion. Huh?
Merlion
Esplanade. Esplanade later. Scaffolding.
Scaffolding.
Tayo sa Chinatown. Chinese.
But there's
Pagod na mga person. Nalilakaya. Lakad na lang kami to the bus station to get to Esplanade. And we'll meet there because there's a light fountain, whatever, something. Basta yan. See you. kami nawala. Hindi kami nawala. Dito na kami. Yeah, we have finally reached Marina Bay. Dito na tayo. We're just waiting for others and taking pictures. Pagod ba?
Pagod na sa Lisa.
Pagod na, Alisa. Time check, it's 7:38. Andito pa rin kami. Gabi na. Nagpipicture-picture pa rin sila. Ayan o. Gusto nyo yan? Tingin sa burger! Ayan, sige. For the picture with the Merlion kasi sarado yung malaki. Behind the scenes of. Okay, isa pang behind the scenes natin. Ginagawa yun. The effort and the effort. Okay, so we're here again. Nakasarado yung Merlion. It's shy type today. Okay, maglalakad ulit tayo. Let's go across the bridge. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh, ayan na yung fountain show dapat. The fountain is fountaining. Ganda ng Singapore. So we're back here at the Esplanade. We're gonna take a rest.
Ang layo na napuntahan natin, guys.
We're gonna practice. Excuse me, are you the Solo Gracia Coral?
Oh my God!
Are you the champion?
Yes!
Oh, champion! Okay, change venue, Gardens by the Bay.
Also,
Whatever this is. We took the bus because we're tired of walking.
Oh, my residence.
Residence?
Here that time.
Yes, I live here. You know?
Yes, that's your residence.
Okay, nasa taas na ulit tayo. We took the elevator. We were down there kanina. I don't know wherever the hell we are, but I don't know.
Right.
Yes, we're going there, I think. Okay, so we've reached the Gardens by the Bay. Tada! Whatever this is. Okay guys, I think the vlog will end here. We've walked around Marina Bay Sands for quite a while. Hindi na namin kaya,
Di
di
mo
namin kaya ng
ba
video.
i-vlog ang Esplanade?
Huwag na natin dagdagan. Like for part 2.
We'll take picture taking sa part of the vlog.
Picture taking na lang.
And then
Check out our
collapse sa
Instagram
guest house.
photos. Bye!